What's good, my people? Back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, I need to request every single person watching to please like, comment, share and subscribe. So today I've got the Timberland 6-inch boot, the good old boot. This is in the rust nubuck color, which is not the same as the classic because it's a bit darker, but same boot. I've got my trusty tool, which I'll be using to measure the height. So when it refers to 6-inch, it means this is a 6-inch boot. The inches, the height it will add to you, we'll just take it from the top to the bottom, to be honest. So like the white bit more or less, and let's see. So the boots, they add about 1.32 inches, which is about 33.6 millimeters, give or take a few millimeters of height. It's actually quite decent, to be honest. I would have expected a bit more, but they do add just over an inch in height. But yeah, that's it for this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Check out all of the other how much height videos, all the reviews, the on foots, all that good stuff. Click the bell icon and take care, my people.